Hi student, architecture 1 to 2, delineation, architecture design. Today I present with you chapter 3. In this chapter we have introduced for some of digital and manual design drawing interface. We will see many projects they do on digital, and after that we just have some thinking about how you do that projects by manual, by hand. So we have the chain to look over many projects, the big one and the small one they use for digital to do that, and what you're thinking if you can do that by hand. First of all, you can see few projects they study for deformation. If you have some simple projects and you change for for the shape or something on the scale, I think that's you can do that very easy on the model, or you do on digital, because you just click on some tool for bigger, smaller scale, and you can change the shape very easy on digital. You can do that also by sketch. So today we will look more for digital and the manual projects, which one you can do and which one is the best for you when you use each of them, or you use both of them when you start to design one project. This is some examples, so you can see that the shape or the form that can be changed, and just change the rotate, change the size, and you have the different angle from the projects. And you can see that this is some kind of like deformation. If you see another project, it's look like this is the model. They do the model for the shape from the building, and you can see how can they change for the shape from that one with the angle, with the shape from the building, the height from the building. So that's why they change very easy on the model. Same thing with this one, you can change that. This is the model one. So now on the 3D view, that means you can see the height from the building, you can see the wide from building, and you can see the depth from the buildings. So if you can look the projects like that, this is you look straight from in front of the building, go straight to the end from the building. You can see the projects look like this. If you look in the angle, not in straight, and you look on the right angle, for example, and you can see the same projects, but the angle is different, and it show you can see some view is more close and something is far, and that's why make the projects different. That's this one you can do very easy on sketch, and also on digital you can do this one. I think that's also easy on the digital only, both ways. And in these projects on the 3D printing or the fabrication, how do you do that? How do you do the projects on 3D? This is a few projects you do 3Ds in the model, and you can create that on the board, and you can do 3D also. Same thing with the project like that. After you draw the floor plan elevation and you can do the model, how high is it, you can see 3D from the building, high, wide, and the depth one. So you can see 3D from the building by digital. This one, same thing. I think one project it can show similar, the shape similar like this on the roof one with the curve outside. I think that's in Germany. I saw when I traveled long ago, 2005. I traveled to Western and Eastern Europe, and I see many interesting building with the roof one like the curve like this. Same thing with this one. All of them they create by digital, so you can see the verification from the building. So now we have few definition you need to know. For example, some people talk with you, BIM, it stands for Building Information Modeling. You do everything about the modeling building. I know one big model company as in chapter East Street, and it's in the big company, but I'm not sure they still working right now. But before I stopped by, I think the big one, and they can do one model many $1,000s, or higher than that for one model, but they do very professional. If you look at this, you can think the real projects will be exactly like that, just different scale. That's it. They do very professional. Okay, so back with us, when we hear from BIM, that means building information modeling and draft software. For example, you can use Revit, ArchiCAD, AutoCAD. Another software you can do for draw the architecture projects. My students, they usually search on Google. They use Sketch, they use a floor as a plan, or many tools you can use temporary to draw the projects free. And I think that's architecture student, you can try on the Google for free AutoCAD 1 year or 3 years, something like that for student. So you try to use the software. However, because AutoCAD is so big memo, so that's why you need some kind like the computer is so good, run fast. If not, it takes so long when you open the tool. For example, I am at home. I cannot open AutoCAD because my computer is so old and it runs so low. So every time when I want to run AutoCAD, I need to go to the office or in the school, because at home it takes time to run the program, and after that we cannot draw fast or safe. So that's the reason I didn't use that at home. Okay, we have many different software to use for support for architecture major. That's a very effective drawing tools, and you need to use it when you construct for your design. With BIM, in the document, a wall is no longer defined simply by the lines, but they have specified for material property. That means they have different kind of material when you use it, because engineer is the use for information. They need to communicate with architects and the computer engineer feasibility. So that's why they have combined all of them. So BIM, they use the document, they draw the wall. It's not just the wall, just double lines, but they show a lot of material properties. Architectural design has strong connection to the visual arts, sculpture, and paintings. They combine all of them together in one project. This is hand-eye brain. Like I told you before, you need to use your hands. You need to focus on your eyes, and after that you use your brain thinking about how to organize everything together. They have varying degree, intensity, and they produce for sequence from formal ideas. The basic concept for making in the beginning model. The basic concept: if one conceptualizes an object, these objects possess attributes of these. Let me try to do this one. Okay, so of the dimensionally with the lines defining planes and the points defining lines. For example, you have 2 points, you connect and you define for one line, and you have many lines, you combine together, you make a plane. So that's a way how to do for concept beginning for the model. With enough data, the designer would be able to create the real model. Hold it in his other hands and look at from any viewpoint. One people working on model, they need to create the real model, but they need some data from the designer. So when we send for them the data from the projects, and they need to create for the real model. So that's why I told you the professional people that work on the model company, they can create one model exactly the same when you do finish the construction, just different scale. They use the scale is small, and after that in the real scale is big for the human scale. Okay, so number 2, intermediate from making beyond basic. That's okay. One method is to sketch over photographs of the simple model with the detailed design elements and process to higher level of design decision. The design is no longer abstract or become a booth with different level interpretation as detail is added. That's intermediate from making. After they have the basic one, they need to go over with the photograph, they sketch it, and they do the simple model with the detail elements. After that, they go to different level. Let's increase the level or higher and develop by detail added on. Number 3, object design versus space design. Architectural design consists of both object design and space design. Object design, if you have the topic for design and you need to thinking, that's one you design. Space design, you organize the space inside from the model, from the projects, and you start to design. Perspective are most useful at the early concept stage, when rendering is most effective in communicating the intent characteristic of design without being required to have solve-on problem. So perspective are most useful when you look at different one from the projects. You can help you. It means it can help you to thinking more the meaning from the projects from very early stage. When rendering is effective when you do communicating. For example, when you design the house or some projects, before you communicate with the client, you do rendering in there. It's make your project is so abstractive, and it can show few of the character you impress in the projects. They didn't require you to solve all of the problem, but at least it's just one. You can communicate with the client about which one impress in the projects. That's the way from the model. Digital manufacturing, the technology of physical construct for 3D geometry, director from 3D CAD data. They began on 1980s as a way to make prototype of the parts of any analysis before investing time and money in the mass manufacture of products with the industrial state and the art, material, and quality control. I remember when I graduated from 1997. At that time, I'm not familiar with computer. That means the CAD one. And I got the first interview. They asked me to do the slab concrete with many footing. And they asked me to do on AutoCAD. At that time, they called that AutoCAD Lite, not the version like now, like 2000 or 2020, 2019, 16. No, at that time they called that AutoCAD Lite. And I tried the best to do on the software, and I create everything on the foundation. I draw the square for the foundation, and after that I use the tool array to make a lot of column with the distance I put it on. So that's why I got the first job with XNTB company. This is the big one. And I used that one from that time. I never learned any AutoCAD before. When I'm studying in university, I'm study everything by manufacture, by hand, by table, and by pencil. That's all I learned. Over the first decade, the 21st century, there has been explosion on the market, available hardware to bring the efficiency up and price down. digital have coming, but it's make the markets up down. It's not stable. And the architect educator use rapid and accurate sketches, a primary tools in arriving at his very detailed design decision without building any models. When all of the plan section elevation are synchronized and the CAD drawing were then introduced during construction document phase. That means they want to let you know that when you start from the projects, you do by hand. You sketch the idea, you do everything on primary stage. After you have the detail decision, that means you have everything on there, and now you start to do with the AutoCAD, the CAD, the software in computer. But before, when you do everything, when you start to do the idea, to organize on of the idea in the project, you do sketch, you do by hand, manual, to do everything. At that time, you don't thinking you can do model, except very final. If you think you want to show with the client for, more business goal, and at that time you can use model for make sure that the client can follow you easier than. Okay, so that's why everything is start from manual, hand, drawing, drafting, sketch before we go with digital. There are a few of the steps you design when you have the large scale projects. With the projects, it's not the single projects, it's either big one, commercial or industrial, or multiple, and we call that the large scale. The projects have big one, not just a small house. And this one you can see that a lot of company, they use the model before they start with the final state. They use the model to share with the client. You see, that's one a very large scale. Large scale, if we use the projects, they also call that the master projects. Not just go over one project, they have includes a freeway on of the building around the block. So that's why you see look like the eye view. That means the bird view. You look like that. That means on the top you look down. Many things include on the projects. You call that the large scale or master projects. For example, this is shopping center beside of the sidewalk outside. We can be the park. We can be the business center. That means many projects in the same location, and you create that's the big scale for that projects. And some case study they have culture. Some you can see many projects regard with the culture. For example, it's belong to Asian people or belong to religious purpose. They can design some kind like the culture in Asian, in European, in background culture, and they can design some projects include with that. In this one, you use a lot of the curve shape, the curved life, and the projects show some part from the culture background. This is some of the cultural projects. You can see they can start from like this, a very small one in the model, and after that they develop. You can see that this is also the master site plan for the big culture. You can see that many different form or shape from the building, and we cover on of the street and everything else, decoration outside. So you can see that's the big scale projects, or they call that the master projects. So on the culture, you can see that the form or the shape from the building is not really the geometric. They can be, the shape can be angle, can be a very curved one, or can be not the shape one, like geometry. So you can see different elevation. You look like when they start do the model, you cannot thinking this is the building. Look like the shape, look like the rock, or some kind like angle. It's not geometry. That's why that's the culture. That's the first very beginning when they do for the structure proposal. It can be like this. You can see there's many projects. They have the model when you look at beginning, and after that they have many different direction for the projects. You can see that it's very angle, very curly, and where you can see that the projects is show not really exactly the normal shape. Even you look outside, and I think that inside is similar. That's another example when you do for the section cut. You can see that it's coming like this. Come next step, and after that you look down, and the shape outside is look like this. That's not really geometry. Even you need to do some kind like parking structure. It's really geometric, but the building, it shows some shape from not really straight. Same thing with this one. So if you look this building, this is the real one. However, if you look the building like that, you can think you can sketch by hand this one. If you look like this, and you can stay very far, take a paper, take a pencil, and you can sketch the building kind of easy, because it's really it's angle, and it's some kind of not really special shape for geometry. However, when you look far away, you can see that you can sketch outside the building, not hard. This is interior for culture. Cultural in the theater. You can see that the insulation in here with the wall, the ceiling, some kind like it's not normal shape. It show you some, it depend on the background from the culture, and they can show on there on the design. So you look at this insulation, the wall is not the straight wall, not the curly, really curly, and they do some kind look like the bee net for insulation. And you can see ceiling with the lights, some kind like this. Okay, this is the main feature. Many projects you can see outside and inside is that the shape. If you look at the section, it's look like this, many level. And after that, the roof outside is not the main shape for the roof. It can be any shape, any angle, any curve combined together. So you can see outside look like this. Awning, you can see the wall and the sidewalk with the awning like this. Okay, so interior design, you can look at interior design, same thing. It show very curly angle. This is some kind of angle to get the lights coming, and you can see on the wall, on the ceiling, it's zigzag, something like this. And you can see that's the stair coming up with the zigzag also. And you look at the ceiling, like it's any direction. It's not just one direction. That's interior. You can see when you walk in here, you look at this one like this, and after that on the second one is like this for outside window, the glass, so we can see outside, and on the top one is the truss like this. So that means that they didn't have any normal shape. They have some kind different shape combined together. And this is the last one I want to share with you. This is one of the theater again, and you can see that they have the seating right here, they have the stage right here, and they have many wall outside, but the organize from that is not normal. They can do the zigzag, they can do the angle, and they share with you like different space like that. Okay, this is another model. They use digital to do that, and you can see that they have competition stage. They have the stage and they have competition on there, so you can see that the ceiling is a different way, different direction, and this is through the opera house. They have the section cut for this is opera house, and you can see that many level shape outside like this, and this is the back side. So this chapter they just give you some definition, not definition, but just some present with you. So few of the projects you do on the digital, and few of them you do on manual by hand. This one, I think we have one assignment. You will draw something similar like that. I think that is on 5 or 6, assignment number 6, I guess. And you can draw interior with the door, the window, and the space interior for 3D for 2-point perspective. You have one assignment to draw similar like that. Okay, so that's in chapter 3 for the digital and manual design drawing interface. That's it, and I will continue with chapter 4 for you can know how orthographic drawing by hand, and after that we have assignment number 2. Thank you for watching. See you next time.